Everyone. Patriotism. Patriotism means love for motherland or devotion to one's country. A patriot loves his country and is willing to sacrifice when the need arises. The word patriot comes from the Latin word patriota, which means countryman. It is considered a commendable quality. Patriotism gives people the strength and courage to safeguard his interest of the country and nation. For a patriot, the sovereignty, integrity, and honor of the country are of supreme value on which no compromise can be made. Patriots render sacrifice for the preservation and protection of these values. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a nation builder and a great patriot. He wanted to protect the values, culture, and traditions of the Muslims of the subcontinent. He gave the Muslim a sense of identity by securing a separate homeland for them. He said, "We must develop a sense of patriotism which galvanizes us all into one united and strong nation." The spirit of patriotism makes us stay alert in the wake of foreign invasion. The history of the Pakistan, there are many instances when people laid their lives for the defense of the country. In the wars of 1965 to 1971 and the Kargil War, many brave soldiers gave their life in any attempt to protect the homeland. Captain Muhammad Sarwar, Major Tufail Muhammad, Major Aziz Bhatti, Pilot Officer Rashid Minhas, Major Muhammad Akram, Major Shabir Sharif, Sover Muhammad Hussain, Last Naik Muhammad Mahfuz, Captain Colonel Sher Khan, and Haldar Lalak Jan all embraced martyrdom while fighting bravely for their motherland. All of them were awarded Nishane-e-Haidar, the highest military award given to the great patriot who laid down their lives for the country. Patriotism therefore is not just a feeling, it is a life to spirit that continuously inspires and guides a nation. In the word of S. W. Scott, a man devoid of patriotic spirit is like the one oven. Breathes there the man with soul so deed, who never to himself hath said, "This is my own native land." Daffodils. I wanted lovely as cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what well the show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant, in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, each in the bliss of solitude, And then my heart with pleasure fills, and dance with the daffodils.